In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can transfer files from your digital camera to your computer. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, on your digital camera, what you're going to want to do is locate that SD card. This is where all of your photos and videos are going to be stored. Depending on your camera, it may be behind a small side door or underneath / near the battery. I would say mine is usually by my battery, depending on which camera I'm using. So push the SD card in gently and it should spring out. From here, you can remove that SD card from your digital camera, and next go ahead and connect that SD card to your computer. If your laptop does have an SD card slot, just insert it directly like mine does. If not, use an SD card adapter. I'll try and link some down in the comment section below in the pinned comment, so make sure you use that. Once it is connected, open up the Photos app on your computer just by simply searching up Photos, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Up in the top right, you're going to want to look for this little import section. Go ahead and select import, and then you're going to find your device in here. Choose that and choose whatever photos you want to import, or just select all of them and then hit import again. Pick a folder like pictures and confirm. And that really is it. Your photos are now going to be transferred from your camera to your computer. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.